Good afternoon. My name is Manoj Mohan. The topic on my handle today is time and work. So, okay. Time and work is if a person A can do a piece of work in n days. So, a person can do a piece of work in n days. His 1 day work would be, so A's 1 day work would be 1 by n. For example, take a person can do a work in 10 days. So his 1 day work would be 1 by 10 and his 2 days work would be 2 by 10, and in 5 days he would have completed 5 by 10, which is half work. So on 10th day he would have completed the total 1 work. Okay. So we can go into example sums. If a person A can do a work in 10 days, another person B can do the same piece of work in 15 days. If both A and B work together, the work would be completed in how many days? Okay. So we know that. Okay. So A's 1 day work would be 1 by 10 and B's 1 day work would be 1 by 15. If both work together, their 1 day work would be 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. So 10 is how many times 30? It is 3 times. So 3 plus 15 is 2 times 30 plus 2. So answer would be 5 by 30, which is 1 by 6. So this is your n. So A and B can do a piece of work in 6 days. So we have another type of sum. Example is, this is LCM type. If A, B, this is persons. So A can do the same work in 10 days, B can do in 15 days. So the LCM is 30. 10 is 3 times 30 and 15 is 2 times 30, and this is your efficiency, which means this is your total work. In this sum we are assuming 30 as total work. So in 1 day A can complete 3 parts in 30 and B can complete 2 parts in total 30 works. So formula is time taken equal to total work by efficiency of A and B, since both of them are working. So total work is 30. So efficiency of A is 3 and efficiency of B is 2. When we add, we get 5. So A and B can complete the piece of work in 6 days. Okay. Next type is partial work. Okay. In this, A can do a piece of work in 18 days and B can do the same piece of work in 24 days. For first 8 days, A and B are working together. After 8th day, A left the job. So the remaining work will be, completed by B in how many days? In starting and ending. So since I said that in starting A and B, both of them are working. So in starting only A and B working. They work for 8 days. After 8 days, A left the job. So remaining would be B. So A and B are assigned to do one work. So A can do the piece of work in 18 days. B can do the same piece of work in 24 days. Okay, look at here. A works only for 8 days. After 8 days he left the job. So A works only for 8 days. But look at B. B works along with A and completely remaining work. So along with A plus remaining work. Now let's take LCM. LCM of 18 and 24 is 72. So 18 is 4 times 72. That 4 into 8, 32. Plus 24 is 3 times 72. That 3 into this value. So 24 plus 3x equal to 1. When we add 56 plus 3x equal to 72. So 3x would be 72 minus 56, which is 3x equal to 16. So x would be 16 by 3, which is 1 by 3 days. Okay. So type 2 in this sum, using LCM type. So A, B. A can do that work in 18 days, B in 24 days. LCM of 18 24 is 72. This is 4 times and this is 3 times. So the efficiency of A's 1 day work. A's efficiency in 1 day is 4. We know that A and B are working together for 8 days. So A's efficiency for 8 days would be 4 into 8, which is 32. So total work is 72. Okay. So remaining work would be pass.